Okay guys, here with the 1993 750SX. Hasn't been started since yesterday, and that would have been 7/22 of 2012. Here's the cover for the thing on this trailer. I just wanted to show you to verify some of the things on the jet ski and its running conditions and kind of the details of its ability. So we'll go ahead and unstrap this and show a few things on it. And the graphic design on this is all new. You see some of the parts you'll see that are bolt-on parts, Belosion bars, Belosion bar ends, Belosion throttle, has the Roll 500 bilge pump, switch from Belosion that's on the handlebars. It has a SXR 800 pump and prop. And we'll go ahead and lift the hood here. You go ahead and make a pass around it to show both sides of the ski. You can see the ride plate. And also to note, this handle pole is aluminum. It's an aluminum handle pole. It's just covered at this time. And now I'll go take the hood off and show you some of the details under the hood. You got a factory expansion chamber and pipe, ADA race head. It's got a bilge pump with switch. Got a mini tack. Of course, all the lines. It has a 44mm carburetor K&N filter. Also an aluminum water box. As you can see, the aluminum water box has been replaced. We'll prime this real quick. It usually takes about 5 little pumps. Also, the battery in the ski is new, and that should be good enough for the prime. This little primer ball inside there. Put the hood back on. Now some may do this and some may not. I always just give it a quick start on the trailer before I put it into the water. So just a quick hit. As you can see, it'll start right up. And what I'll do is I'll cut the tape right now, or I'll go ahead and maybe keep it rolling. We'll go ahead and drop the ski in the water and I'll demonstrate it running on the trailer. So I'll go. Are you still rolling? So just walk around the ski a little bit more or something. Go ahead and do let it run a little bit on the trailer before we take it out. going to run the ski for a few minutes. Not really do any subs or many tricks or nothing like that. Just a couple high-speed passes and just to verify the running ability of the jet ski itself.